Okay, my name is Josh Paddock. This is the A&P Week 3 Chem Lab video of the chicken wing dissection. It is 3:25:18. I'm gonna put the phone down here. We got both PPE on. I got my gloves and my goggles. I'm gonna put you down. This is the chicken wing dissection. Here we go. Without having you fall over here. Here is my label with my name. I don't know which way is up here, but my label with my name and section. Get this out of the way a little bit. Number right there. Okay, we got our chicken wing, and we're gonna begin. Put on the goggles, rinse. We already did that. Place the chicken on the foam. We did that. Remove the dissection scissors, which we have from dissection kit, and use them to remove the skin of the chicken wing. Okay, so we'll start doing that, especially around the joints. Careful not to cut the tissue beneath the skin. So I'm going to start kind of peeling this away like this, real slowly. This might take longer than I thought. All right. Just kind of cut as we go. Put it to the side. Okay. Kind of removing. I may have cut the bicep when I was cutting the wing off, but hopefully that doesn't mess up the demonstration at all. A little harder than you think. But I think I've got it displayed pretty well at this point. I'll try and get a little more off.